In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily change button colors on your Squarespace website. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your button settings, how to update the secondary and tertiary styles, and how to save those changes so they show across your site. Start by opening your site in the Squarespace editor. From your dashboard, click your site title to enter the website editor. Once you're in, head to the header area and choose Edit Site Header. This puts you in the right context to see how button styles appear in your navigation and hero sections. Next, look for the design controls in the header panel. Open Design, then use the Style icon, the one that looks like AAA, to reveal your style options. Here, locate the button section and choose Secondary Button. Use the visible color chips or the color picker to adjust the background and text colors. Aim for strong contrast so your button is easy to read. If you have brand hex codes, you can paste them here for precision. If not, stick to your site's theme palette to keep things consistent. Now switch over to Tertiary button and repeat the process. Tertiary is often used for lower emphasis actions, so you might opt for an outline or a lighter fill that still meets contrast guidelines. If you need to jump back to secondary to compare, simply reselect Secondary button and check that both styles feel cohesive. It helps to preview your choices on real content. Use the Content view to see how buttons look within page sections, then hop back to Design as needed. Some prompts and highlights you'll see simply guide you through these panels. Go ahead and follow them to move between views until you're comfortable with how everything looks. When you see the option to edit button styles, click it. This takes you directly into the Sitewide button settings, where you can confirm your tertiary style and ensure it matches what you set earlier. From here, open the Buttons area to view all button styles together. Give everything a quick scan. Secondary and tertiary should be distinct, accessible, and aligned with your brand's palette. When you're happy, close the Style panel and be sure to save. Squarespace won't apply these changes across your site until you do. As a final tip, preview your site on mobile to confirm the colors and hover or press states. Still look great on smaller screens. That's it. Your button colors are updated and consistent across your Squarespace website.